Yes, so Central African Republic 0, Nigeria 2, and we get Oga Carl here. Make you come tell us about how you see the game. Oga Carl, we know say the match when Super Eagles of Nigeria play Central African Republic for Lagos. That one no go where Central African Republic win us for inside Lagos 1-0. But Super Eagles of Nigeria, they don't avenge that performance where they play for Lagos and they don't win this game 2-0 now. Oga Carl, tell us how you see the game.
Yeah, and a fantastic game we played today because not be waiting, not the sort of waiting we expect we as fans and supporters of Super Eagles. Because that's I'm saying that's very 9 minutes good say for the first leg. Now
Mm.
big mistake and a big error for our eye because a team like Central African Republic, ABC, we don't even know themselves. We believe say even many of their players say the part-time footballers only beat us for our own.
Yes.
A big error. We know say we're not supposed to allow repeat itself for the second time again. So
Mm.
the win wey we win today na wetin I really expect. I expect them to
Yes,
suppose bounce
okay.
back, revenge well. Even
Yes.
today sef we teach them lesson, we play them well, we even control the game better than the first game. We play better football
Mm.
well and a good win for us. The win and not take us back to the top of the table again. So everything they well right now for Super Eagles. Congratulations to the team.
All right, now no be lie you talk because now waiting with the expect now they deliver so make they go there, make they carry the 3 points reach house. Now, but we see for that first half, say first half nine Super Eagles of Nigeria scored the two goal. And the way they come like people when mean business normally. They attack them, take possession of the ball. Now, what do you think say change from that performance where we see for Lagos and the performance where we see for Douala where they play the match today?
Yeah, that first performance for Lagos, to me, the era where happen be say we the Super Eagles they underrate this Central Africa Republic for that first leg. They not believe say those
Mm.
ones ready to come. All those ones they be like soldier around, so just one comes push attack for person Gary. And they take on for that first match. So they really underrate those teams where we underrate them. So we don't even believe say
Yes.
they go fit do wetin we do. So today now, it come be like say na revenge. We just need to teach them, say we pass them well, say na mistake we just make this. I'm not supposed to underrate them for the first leg. So from the first half, you see the way with the mount attack from behind with the present, they finally go until the final first goal come finally come from Akon, which and Akon I feel say
Balogun, sorry.
really because
Now
yeah,
Balogun scored the
Akon.
goal.
I mean Balogun, sorry, yeah, Balogun na person say he really feel the pain from the first leg because most people talk say na him make error
I make that
wey they
defense
say
error.
cause
Yes.
two of them go score. So today the thing just show say he wan really pay them back. He wan really revenge because from the first half na him dey even dey drive from that left side of the central defense, they drive the ball, they try they even they bring some passes come out until finally get the goal. So now very good, now good play from the Super Eagles, now good revenge, and I believe say next time they not go one underrated teams with lower FIFA rank like this again.
All right, now no be lie you talk. We could talk about one man when be like say we know say for club football in the better form, even for inside this World Cup qualifiers in the score, Victor Osimhen. Now, how vital you think say Victor Osimhen be for this our team going into the Nations Cup for Cameroon early next year and going into the World Cup? How vital you think say Victor Osimhen be for this our Super Eagles of Nigeria?
We get enough forward, especially wingers, but
Mm.
we don't really get a striker, a number 9. So now Victor Osimhen and Onuachu Paul be the only
Onuachu.
number 9 so we get, yes. But Osimhen a very big name for Europe, na very big player for Europe, of which we know say the caliber of players we don't play with for Napoli, they make him as well become a big name too for African football. So with Osimhen, na one very vital player wey we get. I believe say now you don't even get anybody wey dey follow and drag in number 9 shirt. So with Osimhen go really help us. Although say for the qualifiers, this na only his second goal for the qualifiers so far. But I believe say the guy go need to work on the goal scoring for us. And one thing about him, even if say no dey even dey score goal, like they see the way they only dey try to
Mm.
push the attack. They always try to ginger because even today, like, we watch the game very well. Even when Bob go kick, they always already made a quick bring the ball, make a quick start because the guy got the what he wants score plenty goal. So a very key player for the side. I just hope and pray
Yes.
say AG no go come distract am from playing for the Nations Cup for Cameroon next year.
No be lie, Oga Carl, I agree with you 100%. Say Victor Osimhen, a very key player for inside this our Super Eagles team. And like you talk, We know say now big money signing for Napoli, one of their star players, and we hope say will continue for this better Ogbonge form where in the to the score plenty goals like that. Then when we talk about one of the senior players for inside the team, the captain of this team, Ahmed Musa, today making 101 appearance for the Super Eagles of Nigeria will be a record. And I think if he play the next match, he would be tied with Joseph Yobo and then one other ex Super
Vicente
Eagles
Yama.
player. Yes, where they hold that record of highest appearance. We know say in the 28 years, he still get some years before World Cup go reach. But how you see him experience, because we know say they're among one of the currently they're among one of the players, so be like say with the number of appearance in don't go many World Cup. And I think in the among there for the highest goal scorers for Nigerian players who don't play for World Cup competition. I think for African players safe. Now, how you see the experience when Ahmed Musa they bring to this our Super Eagles of Nigeria team?
You see the guy. You see he played today. I'm a Muslim leader. Even if you know they even start the game, I believe anything
Mm,
gets a big impact for dressing room because
true.
Naim be the most experienced player for the squad. Naim be the most scout player for the squad at the moment. And I personally say don't they play the game for a very long time. You don't go many countries. You don't deliver back to back for different countries. You know, you
True.
don't play big matches. Play against the likes of the Argentina. We even score against them many times. So we to get Ahmed Musa because we don't see many players of him age. They even they retire at a very early age. People who don't get the same cap like I'm see the likes of them Victor Moses and even Ojo
Mm,
Igalo say we just get some kind of they don't say they don't achieve all of them. They retire from national team football, but him still there because of the love of the game. For person of his own nature, set to even come play Nigerian league just to
keep
improve the
fit.
league. You know, say now yes,
Improve the league too.
to improve the league as well. You know, say now person we say he loves the game and he loves Super Eagles. He loves the country. Yeah, to say
Yes.
the guy love the country and Nigeria Super Eagles did very blessed. They did very fortunate to get person like Ahmed Musa for the squad. And I
Yes.
believe say the guy will still need because in the only 2 games remain for him to become the most capped Super Eagles
Capped
player
player
in
for
history.
Nigeria.
Yeah, the
Yes.
most capped player in history. Yeah, only 2 games that he made because the next game he go tie with Joseph Fimbo and Vicente Yama. Then if he play one more
Mm,
that game, then he go be the most capped for history, which is a very big achievement. Which many players not fit do. Even the likes of the JJ Okocha, they not play as much as the guy don't play.
mm,
Just 28 until they deliver for us. They give us good quality touches and passes and everything. So with this, I see. I'm saying he go play the next Nations Cup. He go still play the next World Cup. Even if he not dey form, now player will be say coaches they would like to see call into the national team to add his experience even off the pitch. I believe say the guy they don't well for this room. They encourage them. They do one or two. They give them one or two experience to take follow for games. So now very good player. Now we did very fortunate to get person like Musa for our side.
all right, now no be like you talk Oga Carl. Congratulations to Ahmed Musa. And like you talk, now very vital player where we get based on they say some of the experience they come for waiting for football, waiting for life. They know they buy am for market. Okay, now make we go
Yeah.
the player rating. Make we start with the goalkeeper Maduka Okoye. We know say you know get plenty things
Mm.
to do, but all the ball when come inside the command them where. Now how you go rate Maduka Okoye on a scale of 1 to 10?
Mm. Even according to the commentators, the same Marika was going to play today because you don't
Mm,
really see any attempt from the other side. So I could just give him 6.5 based on say we collect our 3 points and we win and he not
yeah.
concede goal as well. So now still good to 6.5 now go give him today.
Okay, what about Shidozi Awaziem? Now, what do you go rate am?
Mm. I wasn't try well. I wasn't even play better than I think Akon because they try to push the attack as well and the guy did very sharp for the marking. So I could give I was in 7.0 because they really coordinate the back well today.
All right, then what about Ekong? What do you go rate am?
Ekong tried too. I'm not gonna lie, Ekong tried because the guy did very confident on the ball. Now one thing when I like him about so if the ball come, you know what to use him do. So the guy really control
Mm.
the backline today, try to communicate with the rest defenders. I'll give Ekong 6.8 today, 6.8.
Then what about Leon Balongu?
Leo Balogun na my man of the match today for me because the guy really, apart from the goal when he scored safe, the guy took some kind of brilliant tackles and still try to push the attack from the back. The guy played very serious football today. I give him 7.5 today. Let me my man of the match today.
Okay, then what about more we go? More enter inside the midfield now. Make we start with the wing backs first. Then what about Jamiu Collins?
Yami Kone still play better football today because now one of my favorite left back for Super Eagles be that. And they always get confidence when the guy start the game. I like the guy football today. I'll give him 7.2.
Okay, 7.2. What about Simon Moses?
Moses tried to, I know the right wing back he played today for the first time when
Mm.
we see on the plan. The guy really deliver. He try for Markins, also try for that. So I give him 7.2 also.
Okay, then we go enter the midfield now. We see say that midfield pairing, Joe
Mm,
Aribo and Frank Onyeka.
mm,
Today
mm,
they'll do better work. Now wait till you go rate the two
yes.
of them.
Yes, Frank now one player when I admire very well. Just to say we already get back off on Lily in case in Lily anything happen to Frank didn't to represent to cover up for him. So I'll give Frank he
Mm.
play better football today. I'll give him 7.4 today, 7.4. Him and Arimbo, two of the 7.4 today. Arimbo try for the attack too. He try to play some up passes which not too connect, but we see the way we even
Yeah,
connect we
we
see
connect with Victor
yes,
Osimhen.
Osimhen. Osimhen almost covered the defender block. But a very nice pass with that. One touch pass,
True.
but that's 7.4 now to give up to it.
Okay, what about Ahmed Musa?
When Musa tried to for the game, you're not too sure for the second half, but for the first half, the guy really, lead by example, lead as a captain, even give assist for the second goal. So I give him 7.3 today.
All right, now then what about Kelechi Iheanacho and Victor Osimhen? I want me you see touch as
Yeah.
they give them their rating. It be like say that
Mm,
striking pairing. We
mm,
don't see them
mm,
for the number of matches where they play now. Now one striking pairing will be like say that understanding they be like say they work.
mm,
Now, how you go rate
mm.
them and how you see this striking pairing between the two of them?
The pairing actually did, but it never seem to dey connect as much as we want them. I don't know whether na
Mm,
because because say they play for Super Eagles, maybe they want show say na them be the main man for the matches. At the same time, na wetin dey affect some of them most times, but they try better than the last game. So I go give Iheanacho 7.4 today, then I'll give Osimhen 7.5 because he get goal today. A good thing for am.
okay. Then make we enter inside the substitute them. Shidera Ejuke, Kenneth Omeru, and Bonke Innocent. Now what you go rate them?
Yeah, I go first of all, I go give Chile a 7.3. Although say the guy, as I said before, the guy don't play personal football. He just want to announce himself to the Super League. Listen, I was the guy they hungry for because I player when I know na very good player with his feet. The guy they very good dribbler, which I believe say maybe the visit Super League, the fans never really recognize them well enough. So I believe say with time the guy go connect well, they go begin to bang the goals. But I will give us 7.2 today because the guy try give us what we Nigerians they like, give us entertainment today. So I will give us 7.2 today for their performance. Then Bunky cover up for
Hmm.
I think for Iheanacho when he come in, the guy try just cover up for the marking and normal deliver they can't deliver. So I give him 7.02. Then Merusi cover up for Leon
Leon
Balogun
Balogun.
wey get injury come
Hmm.
up here. So Merusi lead. When I say another experienced player we will know for the team, so we will not say sabi the ball well. So I give him 7.02. Them try well, all of them they try.
All right, now, Oga Carl, we don't finish the player rating. Before I go, let you go. How you see that switch from the 4-4-2 when the coach been play for the last match and enter inside this 3-5-2 formation when it can switch? How you see the switch today?
It work because one thing not to say not to bring out your tactics make your tactics work, So I not even see the coach as person we even did tactical before until today because I just say maybe that the players they already do it work for am before, But today the guy change tactics, change formation, which actually work because most times we possess
The ball.
the CAD side. Central African Republic
Mm.
we possess them well today, hold the ball, we connect with the passes. We not even to lose party for the first half. Now only now they call they win a foul off. First half they get about 2 to 3 yellow card for first half, if I'm not mistaken. So we really play their football well. We stop the attack. Not because I believe now those three defense they always push the attack come and so our flank they always cover up if they try to attack. So they cover them
Mm.
quickly. So now very good to say we they get tactics, we they get backup tactics when they feel work for us. So in case we meet bigger team, maybe for first half we play this one not work, then we switch tactics, it
Mm.
go work.
Right, the
And
other
now very
one.
good to see our coach, now person we say they feel use different tactics wey dey work for am. So now good thing today.
All right, now no be lie, Oga Carl. Thank you as you give us your time. We hope say all of us Nigeria we go enjoy this victory today, and then we hope say the next set of World Cup qualifying matches and we go win them for inside this group. Oga Carl, make you use these 3 points when Super Eagles deliver. Take all yourself for the rest of the weekend. You too much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.